Hey guys, this is Travis with Betterton Outfitters. We're here in our man cave. This is kind of our base of operations right here. We're about to watch this video that Dad made, throwing the GoPro in the pond, see if we can't see our fish doing some neat stuff. He's getting it pulled up right now. About to get it started.
Water. Oh, there I threw water. I threw food in the water. Oh, he's looking at it. He wants it. Is he gonna get it? Boom! Got some. There's another one. There's another one. It's crazy. So I can't even catch these things. Like half the time, whenever I'm just playing around with small lures, but they're just like eating this stuff up like crazy. He's like looking lost. I don't know what that's about. What do you think? That's a big one.
Yep.
Oh, got competition. Dude, we got some big brim, and then we got some real big ones. Yeah, I don't even know what all kinds they are. Hey, if any of y'all know what kind they are, comment, post it out there, because we have every kind of brim I can think of in this pond, and I don't even know where they came from. Look at that little one, it's like translucent. Oh, and they all left because Big Daddy came in. What? Hello. So I've got this camera and it's just like free spinning. Ooh, yeah, he's like, yeah, y'all gone. I got this. Bam. What? He just spit that at us. He's gonna do it again. Oh, what? Yeah, there's little buddies. They leave and he comes around.
Yeah.
So I put this camera on the edge of the dock, close to the bottom, fed them. Camera spinning around, doing whatever it does, and the fish can move around just like that. And then after a while, they don't even care the camera's there. They're just like, I'm hungry. Dude, that's some nice brim. I think we give them, like next year, we need to start keeping them and have a big fish fry. It'll be alright.
Sounds good.
What do you think about these tree things right there? It looks like a forest. Can you imagine being like at the bottom of this and this being in free air and there's these huge things and they just come by and just eat you if you're not around? I mean, it's crazy. Like if you were walking through the forest and you got to worry about these things just coming up and going, pop, you're dead. Just like that. See that?
Yep.
I mean, I don't even know what kind of plant that is. Another thing, if y'all know what kind of plants those are, it's awesome. So I don't have a clue. What? What was that sound? Boop. Oh, he's playing catch with himself. Didn't you say anything?
I don't know.
Dude, it's like the majestic forest with these huge things. It'd be like living in the dinosaur age. Oh, dude, that is a monster fish. That's a big one. Man, they're everywhere. I'm glad they ain't got teeth, because whenever we swim in there, I think they'd eat us alive.
It's kind of what piranhas are.
Must have cloud going over or something. Woo! Man, it's crazy how they can stop just like on a dime. Bam! Dude, look at that. It's so big. Ooh,
to the camera.
oh, he bumped it. Ooh, there you go. I'm Dory.
I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing, okay?
Oh, dude. They love the camera. They love the camera. It's pretty. It's amazing how much more clear it is at the bottom of the pond than it is midways. Because we've tried to make some of those videos, and it's like it's just a huge cloud, and then all of a sudden the fish show up. Or turtle.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's
We
the
done?
end of that.
Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Any comments would be greatly appreciated as far as something else we could do, or tell me what some of this stuff is. Like, I love my brim, but I don't even have a clue what I'm catching. So, that and the plants, that or for something else I could do to my pond to make it a little bit better. It's not a very big pond, but I really enjoy having it. Like, we fish in it constantly, and we just have fun. So, if got any comments, appreciate it. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.